Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with a quick unboxing and first look at 4 iPhone XR cases from the British company Gear4. Gear4 is well known for making very protective cases using the impact material D3O, and these 4 cases that we're going to be looking at today have drop heights that range from 10 feet to 16 feet, so they are very protective indeed. Let's get started and check these cases out on my iPhone XR in Coral. First off, we're going to be looking at the Piccadilly case, which is a crystal clear super slim case for iPhone XR, which offers 10 feet or 3 meters of drop protection. Like all of the other cases we're going to be looking at today, this case uses D3O, which Gear4 describes as being the thinnest, most advanced impact protection material in the world. And indeed, D3O is very well known for its use in things like motorcycle protective gear, military applications, and the like. And as far as phone cases are concerned, it's probably most famous for its use in Tech 21's cases for a number of years until Tech 21 switched to using an in-house protective material. For those of you that may be familiar with D3O, you're probably thinking orange when the word D3O comes to mind, but as you can see here with the crystal clear Piccadilly case, this is not always true. For the Piccadilly, this D3O material is available in white, black, or rose gold. This white material here you can see on the edges is indeed the D3O that gives this the very impressive 10 feet of drop protection that it has. So this is a very slim and lightweight case. You've got TPU sides in addition to your D3O here, and then on the back you've got a crystal clear polycarbonate, relatively rigid feel overall, although the sides have quite a bit of give, so this is a nice easy case to get on and off your phone. So sliding it in, no problems. Just clip it on and you're good to go. A little bit more give than I would like over your buttons and over your port openings, but overall the fit is good, and as you can see it is a super slim, really attractive case on a Coral iPhone XR. Looks really nice, just very attractive, and of course going to the back, this is why you get a clear case, because it's going to look like this. Looks absolutely beautiful. And of course, I will do an in-depth review on this, showing all the pros and cons of this case. I just wanted to give you a quick look now. The next case we're going to look at is the Victoria. The Victoria has a lot of resemblance to the Piccadilly that we just looked at. Same amount of drop protection at 10 feet, same price point at $39.99, and they are both clear cases, only the Victoria is clear with graphics. So looking at this, you can see we've got quite an attractive pattern on the back. This is one of 4 patterns that are available. Size-wise, basically the same as the Piccadilly, same design overall. Both are really nice cases. Like the Piccadilly, it's quite easy to get your phone in this case. Just slide it in, clip on the other corners. Everything looks really quite nice. Very attractive look on the phone, very slim form factor. Looking at the back, I have to say I'm always a fan of this kind of a clear case with a pattern, because I think that the pattern takes your eyes away from the inevitable scratches and fingerprints that you're going to have with a clear case. So I do think that that is a good thing. Overall, just really quite a nice case. Only issue that I noticed with this one right off is that there's too much space in between the back of the case and the phone. You can actually like slide a small card underneath there. Really quite a big gap there. Don't know why we have that, but overall, other than that, really a very nice case for the iPhone XR. Next, we have a slightly different kind of case with a folio case from Gear4. This is the Oxford leather case. It will also give you 10 feet of drop protection, and it's made of a lovely genuine leather. Besides its impressive drop protection of 10 feet, which is unusual for a leather folio case, the Oxford leather case distinguishes itself with its nice quality soft leather, as well as this attractive clear panel on the back, which allows you to show off the color of your iPhone. So I think that that is a really nice feature, because sometimes when I have my phone in a folio case like this, I feel like it's kind of trapped. I can't see my phone at all. And here I can see it, which I think really looks nice. This case also does very well with its card slots, allows you to put a couple cards in here as well as something in the slide pocket and still close nicely. Overall, really quite a nice case for iPhone XR. The final Gear 4 case we're going to look at today is the super protective, super grippy Battersea case. This case will give you a truly astonishing 5 meters or 16 feet of drop protection. So I've reviewed lots of cases, and after a while you get used to impressive drop protection heights like 10 feet, 11 feet, 12 feet, but 16 feet, you rarely see something like 16 feet, and certainly not in such a slimline case. Really impressive job by Gear 4 with that. I'm guessing this is because it uses D3O, which, as I mentioned before, is advertised as being the thinnest, most advanced impact protection material around. So when you look at the Battersea case, you can immediately see why it is so protective. So rather than having just a simple line of D3O around the edges, this case is lined in D3O. The back of it, the sides of it, the entire inside is filled with tons of D3O, and so is therefore very protective. This case is also extremely grippy, as I mentioned. You've got grippy sides and a ridged, grippy back. This case really feels super protective and extremely well made. Getting your phone in and out is quite easy. Just slide it in. Once on, we have a nice fit on the phone. This is probably the best fitting case of all of the 4 that I've looked at today. Got a nice amount of lip on here as well, and overall great fit, great feeling on the phone. So if you are looking for a grippy protective case, you should definitely check out the Gear 4 Battersea case. Really impressive case from Gear 4. Again, we've been looking at a variety of Gear 4 cases for iPhone XR. We have the Victoria case, which has an MSRP of $39.99, comes in a total of 4 different color options, all of which have a clear back with different graphics on it. This particular one is called Fabric. Then we have the Piccadilly case. The Piccadilly is a clear case that has different colored sides. This one is available in white, black, and a rose gold. Also has $39.99 as an MSRP. We have the Oxford leather case. This one has an MSRP of $69.99 and comes in a single color, black. And then finally we have the super protective Battersea case, which comes in at $44.99 and also comes in a single color of black. Many thanks to the kind folks at Gear 4 for sending me out these samples to review. I will put links below where you can find out more about these products, and if you have any questions about them, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case and accessory reviews yet to come. And many thanks for watching this video. This is Kristen with the Victoria, Piccadilly, Oxford leather, and Battersea cases by Gear 4 for iPhone XR. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.